Yo, what's up, YouTube? Yeah. So I learned my lesson not to eat cheese, sour cream, and frozen yogurt because now I have a stomach ache and it's gonna last probably for a while and it's gonna suck. Yeah. So I got a new hat today. It's green. Green is awesome. Um, yeah. I want to make a shout out to Tiffany. Tiffany's awesome. Woot woot. Um, yeah. I think that's it. Just wanted to check in because I didn't make a video today. Um, so, oh, it's my, well, she's like my second mom. It's her birthday today, so shout out to her. Woot woot. Um, yeah. That's about it. Alright. Hasta la pasta, suckers!